and welcome back to Scale Me Down. Today we have a special feature with Paul and his top flight P47 Thunderbolt Razorback. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. Paul, can you tell us something about this model?
Well, I built it about 4 or 5 years ago. It took me about 8 months to complete, but that was quite concentrated most evenings. I didn't dare count how many hours it was.
And is the build quite traditional?
Very traditional, yeah. I chose the Razorback. I think they look cosmetically much better, but of course that means that you're bending your balsa sheet in like a figure S. I discovered that if I sprayed it with B&Q glass cleaner, the ammonia in the glass cleaner softened up the balsa to the point where it was like folding paper. Then it was beautiful.
And what powers the model?
It's a RCGF 65. I think it's 65cc single cylinder motor.
Fabulous. Let's see it fly. The Republic P47 Thunderbolt, or Jug, was an American World War II fighter and was one of the biggest and heaviest of the war. The model has a wingspan of 85 inches, or 2.16 metres, which gives it a scale of 1 to 5.7 and weighs a whopping 30 pounds. As you can see, it flies just like a juggernaut, not affected by this gusty weather in any way. And I just love how the sunshine bounces off the surface detail.
I finished it with sanding sealer, balsa sealer, and a light coat of Poly-C resin watered down like a primer. And then it was just a matter of layering on lightweight glass sheet with Poly-C resin. Yeah.
And there's hundreds and hundreds of rivets on this aeroplane.
Tell me about it.
How did you achieve those?
I made a jig out of a piece of copper sheet and fashioned a soldering iron bit to the right diameter on the grinder, and yeah, set the soldering iron to the appropriate temperature and basically just sat there watching Coronation Street popping these holes in.
Paul says that the model is very stable and easy to fly, and that the RCGF petrol engine that powers the model replicates well the enormous power of the Pratt & Whitney R2800 Twin Wasp 18-cylinder radial engine of the full size. A really good characteristic of this plane I do love is when those barn door flaps go down,
literally the attitude of the plane just stays exactly as it is.
Yeah.
There's no elevator mixed in or anything like that. You just slow it down enough and whack them flaps on.
And is that the same for the landing gear as well?
Landing gear, yeah, no.
That's air powered, isn't it?
That is air powered. Yeah, they're yeah, we've got the air slow system on it, so we can time it so one goes up and the other one goes up, and then eventually, after it thinks about it, puts the tail wheel up, you know.
Thanks to Paul and to Charles for displaying this fabulous aircraft. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next time at Scale Me Down.